Are you someone who enjoys a glass of wine with a late meal or an after-dinner drink? A nightcap, perhaps? Maybe using alcohol to help yourself fall asleep faster? Well, here's what alcohol actually does to your sleep. While alcohol can actually help you fall asleep faster because it is a sedative, the kind of sleep that you fall into will be poor quality, fragmented sleep, according to research. In essence, you will lose out on slow-wave deep sleep, and your REM sleep will also be negatively affected. Given this information, it is better not to drink alcohol if you want to sleep well. However, if you do drink alcohol, avoid drinking it 3 to 4 hours before bedtime at the very least.